Rosie.
Hello.
Hello. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ngayon niya na magsalita muna. Ma'am Rosie, Pastor's Day namin ngayon. And we would like to greet you a happy birthday. We love you. This is a district pastor's group.
Amen.
Sige pa, sino magsalita pa? Sino pa sa inyo?
Oh, sige na.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Pastor